Welcome. In this video you will learn how to take Python code you have written and actually run it so your instructions come to life. Writing code is only half the job. Running it is what makes things happen. Python reads your instructions and carries them out, one line at a time. Think of your code as a recipe. The recipe does nothing on its own. You need a chef, the Python interpreter, to read it and carry out every step in order. Here is a file called greet.py. It contains 3 lines of code. Each line is a separate instruction telling Python to print a message to the screen. Python always starts at the very first line and reads straight down to the end. It never jumps around. Line 1 runs first, then line 2, then line 3. To run the file, open your terminal, navigate to the folder where it is saved, and type python greet.py, then press enter. Python does the rest. When you run the file, Python prints each message in the exact order the lines appear. The output appears directly in your terminal line by line. You can run Python 2 ways. A.py file saves your work and lets you rerun it anytime. The interactive shell gives instant feedback but does not save anything when you close it. Remember, Python reads your code from top to bottom and turns each line into action. Save real work in a .py file and use the interactive shell when you just want to try something quickly.